Yo, man, what's up with y'all boys, and welcome to another video, man. You can tell by the title I got a little special delivery going on today. That bad boy sitting right there. I wanted to wait to open it, but then again, I was like, man, let me make sure this is what I think it is, man. And it is actually what I think it is, so we about to open this up for you, man. Your boy fresh off the clock. It's like, shoot, it's 3:21. Early in the morning, man. I couldn't even wait till the next day for real. I'm about to get into this, so we about to unbox this and get into it. You feel me? All right, man. Here it is, man. Get into the nitty gritty. Move all this stuff out the way, man. Oh man. All right, tell how that set up. You see what that say right there? Let's make it around for y'all. What that say? Big gun exhaust. Yes, Lord. Need that. Come on. Sit there right there. That's all that came from, man. Clean as we go, man. Clean as we go. That's how you save that damn book. Now, this is what we came in for. About to whip this bad boy out. Yeah, I see it right here. Yeah. That's what we've been looking for right there. There it is. Yeah, big gun. Let me see what else they got in here. Cardboard. There go my little pipe. Piece of the pipe. So them. Got them two bad boys sitting right there. Let me take these out the plastic, and then we gonna get right back to it. There. Feel me, this clean as can possibly be. I don't see no holes in it. Them boys welded this thing right. Feel me? Sit that down right there. Once this bad boy open next. Yeah, that thing got a little bit of weight to it, nothing too crazy. Of course, the big gun all over it. They don't let you forget what it is, but it got little candy red little paint going to it. That thing sparkling a little bit, catch it at the right angle. But yeah, man, that big gun, man. All serious. Mount this bad boy. Let me see what else come in this little packet right here, man. Man, what's this? Instructions? We don't need that. And what we about to do next, we're gonna take this bad boy right here off so we can slip this bad boy right here on, you feel me? So let me get my tools right, man. I probably only need nothing but like a 10 millimeter, you know how that go. 10 millimeters run the world. So let me go and get that, and we're gonna get active. Another thing real quick, I wanna make sure I do before I switch the exhaust, man. We're gonna give a before and after, so y'all gonna hear what the stock sound like right quick. And of course, we're gonna do the after. So I'm about to crank it up now, do a little regular, old fashioned, what it used to sound like. And then after I switch them and everything, get everything combobulated right, we gonna do it after, man. It's definitely a 12. We're gonna say these bolts, man. We gonna need these bad boys, so. That's off of there. Now I'm gonna come with my little Allen keys, and I'm gonna get this little joint off right here. Yep, there it is. Bad boy's still kind of hot, but got this gone. Yeah, it look kind of dusty, but throw that fuck up out of here. We're gonna line this up first. This side going to the pipe that's already there. Get this on in there. Pipe will line up with it. I don't know, you want to line everything up before you tighten everything, so I'm just lining everything up right now. Do it. Got everything on there flush, man. Ain't no gaps on this. This is tight, man. This ain't going nowhere. You don't want this to fall off. You don't want no pressure come from out of here, and you know, your back pressure gonna be all messed up. But that's on there. You gotta kind of wiggle it a little bit to get the fitment right so that the exhaust lines up with the already existing holes. But after you get that on there, you good to go. You just push this bad boy right here. You just push that bad boy all the way in there. You don't need nothing right here. But after that, make sure everything on there good, and shoot. It just looked better already. I ain't even started up. It just looked better from a, a look standpoint. I got my other little accessories right here to make it look different, but yeah, man, we about to start this bad boy up. See what it sounds like. First little punch. So yeah, let me set this camera back up, and we're gonna see. Man, that bad boy ripping now. That thing sounds good. Boy, Crystal done came alive now. She a little monster. I like that. Man, just picture if I would've went damn dual. You feel me? Picture I just went dual exhaust on that ass. That junk would've went even more crazier, man. Yeah, man, install complete, man. That big gun on there. She sounded like a little beast that she is now. I mean, scale of 1 to 10, install probably like a little 3. Ain't that too hard, man. You don't need much tools, man. Everything really self-explanatory, man. You just take the old one out, put this one exactly what the last one was. And yeah, man, you got a new upgraded thing. One thing I do need to do, though, since I got a new exhaust, gotta get a tune for it, man, so everything run right. I don't want to run it too, too high, too low, man. I want everything straight. I don't want my baby going through no casualties, man. I want to run it 100% pure. But other than that, man, it's tough. It's tough. Appreciate y'all boys for locking in, tuning in with me as I throw that on my new little toy right here, man. This exhaust go crazy. I will recommend it, man. It's loud. It's better than the, stock. Anything better than the stock, you feel me? So yeah, man, there's other exhaust setups you can go with. I say this would be the cheapest option, man. This probably ran me like $280, probably $3 after shipping and tax and all that. But, I needed something quick on there to get that old scripted one out of there. But yeah, man, y'all boy continue to mess with the channel, man. I got more bangers on the way with this bad boy right here, man. Hey, man, next one, I don't know what I'm dropping next. But, y'all boys stay tuned.